Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Binance buy and sell step by step. Open the Binance app, complete verification, and fund your wallet first. Choose a simple trade pair like BTC/USD and use the basic buy interface. Decide whether to use market orders for immediate fills or limit orders to target a specific price. Check fees before confirming and always review the order details to avoid mistakes. Open the trade screen, select your pair, and choose buy or sell according to your goal. For quick execution, pick market. For price control, choose limit and set your price. Enter the amount in fiat or coin units, then review estimated fees and total cost. Confirm the trade and monitor the order status in orders. Cancel a pending limit order if market moves against your target. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a fun pick-me-up for your commute. It's a small comfort after intense trading sessions and keeps your car smelling fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy it now, let's get back to the video. Treat trading like a risk management exercise and never invest beyond your means. Use stop loss and take profit orders to automate exits and protect gains during sharp moves. Diversify across assets to reduce single coin exposure and consider position sizing to cap losses. Regularly review your trade history, adjust strategies based on results, and keep security measures like 2FA active to protect your account from unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.